Most likely you are watching this video because your computer is running with an issue here as you are trying to open a program you have recently installed. This error arrived. The program was stopped because timezone.dll is missing from your computer. It's a very common issue and all you need to do is watch this video till the end and follow that protocol on your computer. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Evolution. In this very short video, I'll be fixing this error within 3 minutes. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open your favorite browser and search for the entire file name .dll. You can choose any results. I'm choosing the first one. This is not sponsored, but I'll put the link in the description. Here you can see a few download options based on the V10 architecture. To know your V10 architecture, click on Start and search for system information. Here you can see my PC is a 64-bit machine and I'm updated, so I'll be downloading from the top. And in this case, this is second one. I strongly recommend you to read this page. It has multiple fixing methods also. As the download complete, hit open. Here you can see two files. One is the DLL, other one is readme. We need to play the DLL file. To move the DLL, open this PC, local disk C, Windows, and find a folder named System32. This is the home of 32-bit DLLs. Then click on the zip file, drag the DLL and drop. I have already done this, so they're asking me to replace. And click on continue to give administrator access. Before we go ahead, let's check. By typing the file name, you can see the file is properly placed in the folder right now. So job done for 32-bit users. You can go and restart your computer. Only if you are a 64-bit user, open this one more time. Local disk C, Windows, and this time find a folder named syswall64. This is the home of 64-bit DLL files. Then click on the zip file and same again. Check this in this folder once again. By typing the file name, you can see the file is properly placed. So job is done. You can go and restart your computer. In extremely rare cases, if the error still occurs, you need to download and install Microsoft Visual C++ and install your program again, and that will surely do it.
And that's all. If you follow me step by steps, you'll no longer have that problems left. Please let me know how you feel about this video. And do not forget to like and subscribe.